Hey everybody, this is B with Mac of Sales Branding and Printing. Today we're going to cover a little bit of what on-demand printing is. Now, on-demand printing is an option that allows you to start your brand or expand your brand without an initial investment. And what I mean by that is instead of you investing on 12 t-shirts, one color, a certain color t-shirt with a certain design and maybe another 12 with a certain design, but you end up selling maybe only certain sizes, right? And you end up sitting with the sizes that didn't sell, and it's been about 6 months, and you're like, golly, I knew I should have got more mediums. Well, on-demand printing allows you to expand on what you want to run with. So if that means a different color variation with that design, you can go ahead and run your brand on demand. What that means is you have a variety of options of brands, t-shirt colors, and accessories, merchandise. So it doesn't necessarily need to be a t-shirt brand. It could be a hoodie, joggers, fanny pack, hat, accessory brand. So you can really expand even if you are a hairstylist, if you own a restaurant and you want to sell some merchandise but don't want to deal with the hassle of it. There is a plugin that we use, and that is Printful. Printful is the only on-demand printing software or business that we work with because they are reliable. Okay, they provide you with the tracking, custom packaging. So when your consumer receives the package, it comes as if you packaged the product and mailed it to them. And so that gives you more of a relationship with your consumers when they see it and receive the package. It really shows that you took the extra step with branding. All right. So another thing that on demand allows you to start with is learning the pricing variations, which is very important. People have a t-shirt for sale, maybe that it's a one color design for $30, right? Maybe it just says beautiful. There's nothing that I'm saying or downplaying, but you have to know pricing variations because sometimes we miss a few of our consumers, even though they want to support us, they don't see the value. All right, now Nike can get away with it with just having a dash and a color and one splash and that's it, and you're paying $80 out of pocket all day. But you have to bring your brand value up in order for people to pay that. All right, they don't just pay Gucci what they pay for Gucci just cause. So it's important to know the brand value, and so you're able to expand this knowledge with using Printful. Now I'm going to go back to what on-demand is. On-demand is a website where you can upload your designs, place it on different type of merchandise, garments, accessories, set your price margin. Okay, so if Printful is saying, hey, we're going to charge you $15.13 for this hoodie, you're able to set up your own price margin. You know that you can sell this for $30 or $25 or whatever you want to sell it for, but you can set your own profit margin. Okay, so you can place that on the website. Once it's designed and integrated, we go ahead and it's easily integrated to your website, and you're able to sell within the same day, same time, same minute. So if you think about it, you can see how this design works. You can now test designs and test what colors consumers are leaning more towards rather than having a hit and miss and only being able to provide whether that's black, white t-shirts, red t-shirts, solid colors. Now you can get really creative and take your designs to the next level. Also, we work with a lot of different artists that want to expand their brand and either place their art on canvas, t-shirts, posters, mugs. This is another way to go ahead and share your creativity, expand your brand, make some profits, and believe in your purpose. Sometimes we have hobbies and things that we do and things come out dope. Run with it. Sell it. See what you can do. You may have a very strong niche you can expand on. On-demand printing is the way to go. So my goal today was to hop on here and share some of this information and why it's important to know what on-demand printing is, and as well as to let you guys know that we do have a course available. But if not, if you don't want to look into it and you just have some questions, we don't charge, we don't mingle with trying to put a price on knowledge. Give us a call. We'll answer any questions, concerns, anything that we can help with. We are more than open to helping. Again, that's macofsales.com. 916-513-3782. Let's go. Have a blessed day.